I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Your Majesty, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor and pleasure that I welcome you to the 16th BIMP-IAGA Summit. This year's summit holds a special significance as we mark 8 years of quite remarkable progress since the adoption of our Vision 2025. Since 2017, our cooperation has deepened, our partnerships have delivered tangible benefits for our peoples. Together, we have laid down stronger foundations for inclusive, sustainable, and innovation-driven growth. Our joint initiatives in connectivity, trade, and investment facilitation, food and energy security, ecotourism, and green development have advanced significantly, reinforcing our commitment to narrowing the development gap in our sub-region. As we convene today, let us take this opportunity to not only celebrate these milestones, but to also affirm our shared vision for a more integrated, prosperous, and resilient BIMP-IAGA. The path ahead calls for even greater synergy, innovation, and political will. I am confident that through our cooperation, we will continue to transform these aspirations that we have held into lasting impact for our peoples. Thank you, and I look forward to a productive summit.
So yun guys, narinig nyo yung kanyang napakagandang speech. Ang linaw-linaw, for sure, naintindihan po ng kanyang mga Asian leaders yung kanyang speech dahil yung kanyang English ay napakalinaw. At syempre guys, para malinawan pa ang iba, ito basahin ko po para kompleto, detalyado. Okay? Before that mga kababayan, actually napapansin ko sa mga Asian leaders, hindi ko naman sinabi na hindi sila magaling mag-English. Kung ikumpara mo naman kay PBBM, the way na magsalita siya, yung English niya guys is napakalinaw. Parang crystal clear nga Kung ikumpara mo naman sa iba, lahat naman sila magaling, kaso lang yung iba kasi pag nag-English, parang parang slangs, tapos parang dumaan sa ilong. O siguro dahil ganun siguro talaga yung kanilang mga pagsasalita dahil nga sa yung pagbigkas ba ng bawat words by words kakaiba. Si Pangulong Marcos Jr., kitang-kita mo naman buong-buo yung kanyang pagsasalita, So dahil dyan guys, ito basahin ko Sabi po dito guys, continuing his engagement at the 46th Association of Southeast Asian Nation, which is ang Asian Summit, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. chaired the 16th Brunei Darussalam Indonesia Malaysia Philippine East Asian Growth Area BIMP and EGA at the Kuala Lumpur Convention Center Malaysia on May 27, 2025. In his opening remarks, the President highlighted the progress made by the BIMP AAGA in the past 8 years. Together, we have laid down stronger a foundation for the inclusive, sustainable, and innovation-driven growth. Our joint initiatives in connectivity, trade, and investment facilitation, food and energy security, ecotourism, and green developments have advanced significantly, reinforcing our commitment to narrowing the development gap in our sub-region, he said. He called on his fellow leaders from the sub-regions to emphasize the opportunity to not only celebrate milestone but also to reaffirm the shared vision for a more integrated, prosperous, and resilience. BIMP, EAGA, tuloy. The path ahead calls for even greater synergy, innovation, and political will. I am confident that through our cooperation, we will continue to transform this aspiration that we have held into lasting impacts for our peoples. The Chief Executive continue in his message. Sabi po dito, tuloy. In 1994, Brunei Darussalam, Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines embarked on an initiative to boost centuries-old trade ties and promote inclusive and sustainable development. These four countries created the East Asian Growth Area, or the BIMP EAGA, to boost growth in less developed areas that are far from national capitals. Agay. After 3 decades of cooperation, BIMP EAGA has made notable progress and played a strategic role of building block of Asian integration and community building. Oh, ayun mga kababayan, ano po ang kapalagayan nyo? Ha? Oh. So yun mga kababayan, ano po ang kapalagayan nyo? Nakikita nyo po ang nasa likod, yan po si speaker, kasama niya po at ang ibang ang gabinitis niya, nandyan si Secretary Luis, si Secretary DTI. So, talaga namang ako ay napapahanga kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. Hindi lang po sa galing ng kanyang pamamaraan. Kumbaga itong Pangulo na ito, kayang pamunuin ng buong Southeast Asia. No? So, dahil dyan guys, ito lang po ang pinaka-latest updates ko. Talagang sinadya ko yan, no? Para makita ng lahat. See you again guys on my next upload video. Bye. Yan babus. God bless Philippines.